And let me introduce you to our Domino Automation software. Using Domino Automation, you can create messages centrally and automatically pass them down to all Domino printers on your production line. Domino Automation is a modular system, providing you with the resiliency you need to adjust to your growth, changes in legislation, or customer demands. For example, you can move from message selection to a fully automated label deployment without any additional software. This provides the ability to automatically populate label templates using your current SCADA or ERP system to refocus operator intervention on critical tasks instead of the mundane tasks like label selection. We understand that manufacturers are reducing the number of operator interfaces on the plant floor. Through Domino Automation's thin client design, you can consolidate all the interfaces into one existing HMI with a simple web interface. With Active Directory integration, access levels can be set to only authorized users using existing login credentials. This allows you to securely share processes and data across your entire plant. Full message control, reduced library, and simplified label creation are the ingredients to less waste, higher efficiency, and more productivity on your plant floor or even across facilities.